finally here. This Cyberboard. This is one of those boards that I've been waiting for so long. Such an iconic keyboard. I feel like everyone that gets into keyboards, you see this at some point. This thing is pretty, dude, it's really heavy too. Oh, this thing looks sweet. Are you kidding me? In my opinion, it's one of the cooler colorways so far for the Cyberboard. Sounds really good, stock. Angry Meow sort of has this kind of sound for most of their boards, which I love. It's easy to build upon, it's easy to change up too. Let's try and turn this screen on. Woo! That looks sweet. Oh, there we go. Cyberboard. That's sweet. When I'm sitting at a desk, you can definitely see it. And that was something I was worried about too. But I usually have my keyboard like probably about here, and I can see it really well. Oh. I don't know what that is. It's like some box. Where's it? Maybe I'm stupid, I don't know. Maybe it's a game. Oh, that's fun. Dude, these are just built in. I haven't done anything. Man, that's sweet. This thing's cool. It's a good looking board. If you made it this far, thanks a ton. The intros are usually my favorite part of this video. I know this one was kind of long, so thanks a ton. Anyway, here we are, the Cyberboard R4. Very happy to finally be able to get my hands on one of these. For some people, they might think the screen is a little gimmicky. I personally love it. It's something I think is super fun. Angry Meow really does kind of push the limits of keyboards. To answer the first question most people have, can you even see the screen while it's on your desk? And yeah, you can see it. It's pretty easy to see. The angle of it makes it pretty easy to see on a desk of a normal person, unless you're, a super sloucher, going all the way back or something. I like to tilt my keyboard so I can see it even better. So for us normal folk, it's no issue at all. Now the Cyberboard R4 does have a couple new features that the other ones didn't. Aside from the brand new colors, this thing, if you get it in the bundle, you get the brand new Icy Silver Pro switches, which are a blast. They're 37 grams, they're super light, they're super well lubed. The old ones were just the tiniest bit sticky every once in a while. I love the old switches, but these new ones just improve upon them in every single way. There's also some improved internals, PET film, probably just PET, but I would call it PET film, an IXPE8 switch pad, and some extra new Poron pads. There's also a new Stage 3 leaf spring mechanism, previously just Stage 2. Now, I'm not 100% sure what part of this equals Stage 3, but there's an extra 2 leaf spring mounting points on the left and right that weren't there previously. I don't know if it was on the other Cyberboards, but it's not on any of my Angry Meow boards. And there's also these new risers. Again, not sure if they're on the old boards, but they're new to me. So, not sure which part of those equals the third stage. Regardless, they're both great. Now, if you're looking to mod this thing, there's only 8 screws on the bottom to get inside of the board. The R4 is also going to have 2.4 Hz wireless with a little dongle guy. I don't use wireless at all, but I'm sure anyone that does will be excited to see that feature. Now, this big ol' LED screen on the back, it's made of 200 individual little LED squares. Whole board is programmable. You can program the screen to do whatever you want, animations, pictures, whatever your heart desires. And I think it's pretty fun. They have a whole web browser, which allows you to customize the entire screen. I think it's sweet. You can also see other people's uploads. There's a whole community page where people upload their animations, and it's sweet. There's a ton of cool ones to mess with. So even if you're not gonna animate them, you can go browse to see if there's some cool ones already uploaded. It's falling. Gotta grab that. There we go. Of course, you'll get the cool briefcase. Pretty sweet. All right, it's uploading. I got it to work. It's a bunch of cactuses. They're in pots. That was uneven. There's a little too much room over on this side. Yeah, blinking. Dude, what? Whoa, that actually looks a lot better than I was expecting. It's Gengar this time, the Pokemon. It looks sweet. You kind of have to zone out on it though. If you look really close, I can see it in the camera. It looks a lot better. Pac-Man. That one's sweet. This one's just a cat. Look at it. It's a fish. Love, Death, and Robots, the show. It's the logo. These are also sweet. All of them are community made. None of these were ones that Angry Meow made. They were just all on their community page because you can upload them and share them.
Are you gonna leave that in? Are you gonna leave this bit in where you guys call me gross?
Do you know how to open this?
It's a weirdo board.
Ooh, it's got a clock on it.
It's all about packaging with these companies. Pretty sturdy.
Oh my goodness. It's heavy.
What are your thoughts on the big old screen?
I like it. I feel like it's pointed away from me. I mean, I get it.
Yeah.
I get it.
That's actually pretty cool. It's pretty neat. This is Angry Meow, right?
Yep.
Dude, it's heavy. This is the heaviest one I've felt.
It's so heavy.
Holy crap. Oh, is it wireless charging too? Mm-hmm. That's crazy. Dude, that makes the whole table wobble. Okay. I mean, it feels good.
It's got some cool cat buttons
So cute. Yeah.
and a claw button.
It's designed as a Cybertruck. Elon Musk's Cybertruck.
Really? Okay. I see that now when you point it out. It's a real nice board. It types good.
What are
I
your
like
thoughts on
the
sound, though? What are your thoughts on sound?
It's one of the best sounds out of the keyboards. I've seen a lot of your keyboards and I'd say this is a top tier sound.
Do you like that sound? It's kind of like a poppy.
Yeah, I like it. It's good. I think I do prefer, what's the word you use?
Poppy?
No. The funny one.
Poppy?
No, the other one.
I don't know what you're talking about.
No, the other one. No, it's the one in the Jay Schlatt video where he makes fun of you for
Thwompy.
saying. Yeah, Thwompy. I do prefer less Thwompy boards. I like the one that mine sounds like, the Oil
It's a little
Kings.
clackier.
Yeah, I like a little bit clackier. Because it makes me feel less like I'm typing on butter.
What are your thoughts on the screen though?
And the screen's cool. The screen's really cool. I think
Besides the price, would you like pick the screen over no screen?
I think I don't like the screens on your other boards as much as I like this one. I think this one's a bit more tasteful and clean looking.
Like this one?
Yeah, this screen's neat, but I think this one's nicer because I just like how it looks more. Yeah, no, out of the other $600 keyboards and more that you showed me, I think this one's my favorite. I like this one more than the big forehead one.
This one's, don't get me wrong, this one's not bad. It's too tacky. Is that the right word?
Yeah. Clacky.
Click,
Bolt. Clacky. Clicky.
click, clack, moo. I like this one. It's more dulled, and it sounds like a fake keyboard sound effect that they'd use in a movie. Can you do anything besides clock?
Yeah, you can change it to whatever you want actually.
Whatever I want?
If you're interested in this board, it does come in 2 different packages. Dude, this thing keeps sliding. Okay. Comes in 2 different packages. There's the bundle, and then there's just the regular base. The base kit, it's gonna be a little bit cheaper. It won't come with keycaps and switches for what I know. Pretty much just kind of a standard bare bones kit and a great base to build off of. And then the bundle is of course gonna come fully built and ready to go out of the box. Comes with the brand new Pro switches, which I highly recommend. Get the bundle if you're not wanting to do mods to your board. Just get the bundle. These things are great out of the box. But if you do end up getting the bare bones, base kit, I'm sure you'll have a good time. These boards are a lot of fun to mess with, and if you've never used an Angry Meow board, you're in for a treat. Anyway, that's pretty much it. These things are sweet. I'll see you next time. Peace.